In this lecture, we'll explore PHP arrays. We've already had a bit of exposure to arrays in some of the previous lessons. An array is a variable that can store multiple values. In PHP, there are three types of arrays: indexed arrays, associative arrays, and multidimensional arrays. We'll start with an example of an indexed array. Here, we have a variable named colors. The variable contains three values: blue, green, and red. We can output each value in the array by specifying its unique index number in square brackets, as seen here. We have an echo statement, and then just some text. My favorite colors are, and then each value in the array is referenced using its index number in square brackets. An index always starts with the number 0. So the 0 in this case is assigned to the first value in the array. Blue would have the index number 0. The index number increments by 1, so the value green would have the index number of 1. And red would have the value, or the index number, of 2. We can see the output in our web browser here. We can use the count function to return the length of the number of values in an array. In this case, we have 3 values: blue, green, and red. By typing count and then the variable name, colors, we can see that 3 is outputted in our web browser. We can loop through the values of an indexed array using the for loop. First, we specify we want the value of x to start at 0 and increment by 1 up to the length of the array. And the length of the array is obtained using our count function and storing the value in a variable called rLength. And so we can see that variable here as well. Next, we simply loop through each index number in our array, which will output the value attached to the index number. And that's done here. Echo, colors, and then the index number. And we can see the output here in our web browser. The next type of array we want to explore is the associative array. This type of an array allows us to assign values to our elements, and this is referred to as named keys. In this example, we've created an associative array variable named tscore. For the purpose of this example, we'll assume tscore holds the mark that students scored on a test out of 100. Tscore has 3 elements: John, Bill, and Dan. Each element has a named key, or value, assigned to it. So John is assigned 60, Bill is assigned 80, and Dan is assigned 75. Next, we use our echo statement to output the mark that Bill got on the test. We do that using our echo statement and inserting the named key in square brackets next to the associative array name, as seen here. And in our web browser, we can see the corresponding output. Bill scored 80 out of 100. We can loop through an associative array using the for each loop. And we've gone over the for each loop before, so we can see the output displayed in our web browser, but this time with the named key value as well.